Hello everyone, how to do it back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to type anything or how to write anything on your story, on your photos on Facebook Lite app. So if you want to share something like photos, videos or anything, and if you want to add a picture on them, then you can easily do this on Facebook Lite app. So you can see the call add to story. Simply click on that. Once you click on that, then you have to choose a picture, videos or graphics or logo, anything. So this time I'm going to choose a picture, and then you can see the option text. Okay, simply click on text. Once you click on text, then you can type anything. Alone boy, alone boy. Okay, and then you can add anywhere you want. So I'm just going to uh, place here, and after that simply click share now. Or you can also add these text on your videos you want. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.